What's up guys? So this is our honey lemon air fried chicken. So hindi ko na na-shoot yung paggawa nito. And this is a good combo since this is dry. So we will try to cook this Knorr real Chinese style soup, crab and corn. So promise daw nila this is made with real crab and sweet corn. So Knorr baka naman. So how to cook? Pour contents into a saucepan with 550 ml or 2/3 na tasa. Water, then mix well. Bring a boil while stirring continuously. Partially cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Add 1 beaten fresh egg and stir gently with fork until egg is well dispersed. Enjoy. So this is from Knorr. So this is our pan from Karote. Nilagyan natin ng 500 ml kanina. So we use this one. So this is what we are using kapag gumagawa tayo ng coffee dito sa bahay. So we place 500 ml na dyan. And we will add 50 ml more. So sabi, bring into boil. Pero kailangan ilalagay mo na siya while it's boiling. So mamaya to top it up, baka mamaya kasi ilagay nyo na agad yung egg. So hindi pa, no? Medyo masikip lang. Yan. So we use mineral water here. So we have mineral water. Since this is our own soup. Perfect to pang mix sa mga ano natin. Dried food. Sinasabi nga ng wife ko, air fryer chef daw ako. So yan. It's either corn and carrots kasi or soup. So kahapon nag corn and carrots na kami. And now we will try the soup. So for 5 minutes, timeran natin. Mix muna natin before natin yan. No? So ito yung ginagamit natin. Kasi itong karote, so this is what we are using. Since itong karote is prone siya sa mga scratches kapag steel yung ginamit mo. So kailangan natin silicone. So mix muna natin siya sa water na 550 ml. And mix it well para mawala yung granules sa ilalim. So ang ganda ng POV na na neck piece ko. So kitang-kita na lahat ng ginagawa with both hands. So after we mix well, alarm tayo ng 5 minutes. Mag-timer tayo ng 5 minutes. Gamitin na natin tong Android since gamit natin tong iPhone for the shoot. Timer 5 minutes. So balikan natin. So we only have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's check. Ayan, nag-boil na siya. So you just have to wait for 5 minutes. While waiting, you can stir it. So around 1 minute na lang. Nakita niyo may buo-buo. So you have to stir it thoroughly. So we have 50 seconds left. Kunin natin yung egg while it's boiling. Kuha tayo ng isang egg. So we have 20 seconds left. Pwede na natin ilagay yung egg natin while it's boiling. Tapos you have to mix it para hindi siya magbuo. Mix, mix, mix. Ayan na, nag-time na. So, ang experience ko with this one, before kasi hindi kami gumagamit ng mga tawag dito, measuring cups or pantakal. So, nangyayari matabang. So, ngayon, sinunod natin 550 ml. Hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng asin, no? So, ready-made na kasi to. Baka mamaya umalat pa. Let's just boil it for around 30 seconds pa. Para mas lalong maluto. So, this is all good. Ayan, tingnan natin. So, ready to serve. Patayin na natin.